Hey there, quick check-in from the Hippie Pilot. I'm in central Wyoming, probably going to sleep in Ogden, Utah tonight on my drive up to Washington State to see my mom. But somebody left a comment on my channel talking about leaving the blue vinyl on until the last minute. And the reason that I take the blue vinyl off so quickly is because I've come to regret every time that I've left it on. Because in a humid environment like mine, moisture seeps in and gets trapped under the vinyl, and when you take the vinyl off, you start to find corrosion. So if you live in a humid environment, it's probably a good idea to take that stuff off right away. Second thing, I crossed 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I'll check in with you later, the Hippie Pilot. See ya.